How to get any Hype Squad badge you want on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get any Hype Squad badge on your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord. After you open up your Discord, you'll find a settings user icon right here. Tap on that. After you tap on that, on the left sidebar, you can scroll down and there you'll see Hype Squad. All you have to do is tap on that. So what you'll need to do is, if you haven't taken the test already, tap on join Hype Squad, and now you'll need to answer question. There will be 5 questions, so you'll have to answer the 5 questions, and based on the 5 questions, you'll be assigned to a Hype Squad. So what you can do is you can take the test again and again. So if you want, you can take, well, you can select the top one on every answers like this, and after that it will show you the house like this, and that's one way of doing it. Now if you want another, if you want another house, you can just go ahead and select the second answers again and again like this, and if you show, there you can see I've just gotten another badge. And yeah, that's basically how you can get any hype squad badge on your Discord. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.